Friends, in today's class, we are going to discuss two important things with some example. One is C in, one is C out. C in and C out are known as input and output statements or the command in C++, by the help of which you can input the value and display the output. Just like scanf in C, through which we can input different types of value. Similarly, through the help of cin, we can input different types of value. And similarly, in C, printf is the output statement through which we can display different types of output on the screen or console. And the cout statement through which in C++ we can display the output on the screen. Cin is used as input statement, cout is known as output statement, and which is defined in the header file iostream.h. If you don't include iostream.h, the cin and cout will not work. Some extent somebody tells or explains cin is the object. Cin can be termed as an object through which you can accept value at the runtime. Means at the time of running, you can input the value from the keyboard or input devices. At the runtime, you can input any kind of value. What is the syntax of cin? Cin double greater than variable name, means number of variable you can specify. Cin double greater than variable 1, double greater than variable 2. You cannot distinguish with a comma. Double greater than is known as extraction operator so far as cin uses, and double less than, which is used in cout, that is known as your insertion operator. Double greater than is known as your extraction operator, which is used with cin, and double less than is known as your insertion operator, which is used with cout as an output statement. Var name is your variable name in which you want to store the value. Hence, you just clarify the C means in cin, the C means the character, in means the input, and hence cin means character input, means whatever the value you can input by the help of your cin. C is the character, in means input, hence cin means character input. Cin is the object used to input the value and used with double greater than as extraction operator to input the stream of character, number of character at the runtime. If I want to input a integer, I can define int the data type, num is the variable, cin your extraction operator with num, means num value in num variable we have to store the input value. If there is a number of variable, then we can write cin double greater than num, double greater than num1, double greater than num2, number of variable can be used. Here it is written cin variable 1, variable 2, dot 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 till variable n, means more than one value we can also input at the runtime. The first example is taken. Suppose you want to input a value and display, then int num means num is a integer variable. Cout is the object or the statement through which we can display the output. In latter, cout to syntax is defined. Enter number means message is given, then cin the variable is num. If you run the program, it will ask enter a number. Suppose you enter 25, and hence the result will display, that is 25. Cout and followed by you entered is the message, followed by num is the variable, because through the help of cout you can give the message followed by the variable name is specified. Why the header file is included? iostream.h is the header file for cin cout, puneo.h for using of a clear screen. We will be running this program in the latter part too, and if you run the program, you will be getting 25. The second example is taken. Suppose you want to enter three values, then we have to display num1, num2 and num3 is taken. Enter number, cin num1, enter second number, cin number 2 and number 3. You can write another cin number 3 too, but we want to represent more than one value can be input. Then we have to display num1 plus num2 plus num3, and hence if you enter 915, the result will be 15. Why endl is given? Endl is a new line just like /n, known as manipulator operator, but statement through which we can move the cursor to the next line at the time of displaying the output. Endl is defined in the header file IO manipulator. You can give endl as a manipulator operator for the next line. What is the work of cout? Already you use cout as the object or the statement to display the output on the screen defined in the header file iostream.h. What is its syntax? Cout variable name or message, or you can give cout message. Message with variable can be taken. Double a then is known as your insertion operator, which is used with cout. Double greater than is known as your insertion operator. Extraction operator, which is used in cin. Double greater than is the extraction operator. Double a then is the insertion operator. Here C refers to character, out refers to the output, and hence cout means character output. Cin is the character input, cout is the character output. The cout object along with insertion operator double a than is used to display the stream of character, means set of character. Suppose you have taken variable 1, variable 2. If you want to display cout var 1, double a then cout var 2 you can given, or we can give the message whatever you want within the double quote. But aside of this, if the variable you want to display, you cannot put comma. Again you have to place double a then you can distinguish the variables. Cout variable 2. The double a then operator can be used in more than once, that is the combination of variable, string and manipulator like endl. Cout, the variable 1 is the value, then the message, var 2 is the another variable, then endl. You cannot give comma along with var 1, suppose comma endl, that is not possible. Whatever the distinguishing to be made by the help of a double a then symbol with the cout. Example is taken. Suppose we assign a value 24. If you want to display with message, for better understanding, value message is given followed by the variable that is specified. Second example is taken. Suppose you want to enter two numbers a and b by the help of cin. If you want to display a and b, the message with value, means value of a is the message and the value is display 6. The value of b is the message, the value is display is b. In this way, through the help of cin and cout, we can input the value and display the output at the runtime. This is the basic statement. Without cin and cout, whatever the program in C++, like general program or the class program, cannot be possible, and hence first we clarified with the syntactical structure of the C++ how cin and cout work. Just I want to tell few things. According to the syntactical structure, you see every C++ program needs the main function, every statement ended with a semicolon, every C keyword must be written in small letter, program execution starts with open curly bracket and ends with the close curly bracket. This is the process in which we can run every C++ program. If you want to run the program, then what is the way? Then moves to your whatever the editor your system having. Suppose I want to run some program here. Suppose there are the turbo C++ in which you can write the C and C++ program. In at the time of C program running, we give the example in C turbo C3 editor by giving extension .c, that is C, by giving the extension cpp, that is your C++ file, because C++ file having the extension name is cpp. So I will take an example and visualize you how the cout and cin works. Let choose file new. Let me to write a program. Suppose has include iostream.h, has include conio.h, void main, taken variable int x, given clear screen to clear the previous output, given the message by the help of cout, enter value, then cin x, cout result equal to, suppose I want to display result equal to x, then I can give get ch for making the fuzzy activity, and now I have to save first. Make save as, suppose I give the file name sriram.c, CPP, by default also taken as CPP. Sriram, like I can take Shreyansh, I can take my child, whatever the name is given, the extension name should be taken as .cpp. If you don't put CPP, it will by default name it is taken as a CPP. Now file is saved as Sriram.cpp. Now compile it by compile menu, then run it by run menu. The output will be visualized. Suppose I enter 12, the output is 12. If you do not give get ch just like C++ C program, the output will not visualize. Suppose I enter out, then I have to display Alt F5, or by moving to the window user screen I can visualize. If you give the get ch, what is the benefit? Input is given, the output will be visualized. If you do not give clear screen, what will be the problem? The previous output will be there in the screen, the people will be confused. If you give the clear screen, what will happen? The previous output screen will be erased and the new output will be visualized. In this way, we can input the value and get the output. Input is possible by cin and output is possible by the cout. In this way, all the program, whatever the C++ program is there, you can write it. Also, you can run the program in online editor. Let we quit. How to quit? File exit. Then again we move to our presentation slide where we are continuing. I think today's sessions of using cin and cout with the essentiality of using the program you understand. In the next class we are coming with some more examples and the concepts, and I think today's session is essential to you for the beginner. If you understand, please like it. If you have any doubt, please make the comments. And if you did not subscribe previously, kindly subscribe it. See you in the next class with some best throughputs. Thank you.